Now the next function that is available in stdio.h header file for file operation, that is for closing a file, that is fclose function. Now what is the syntax to use fclose function? Just here we have to use fclose, and here whatever file pointer we have to pass. This is just a syntax of using fclose function. Whenever you will open that file is initially present onto the hard disk, that will be loaded into the RAM inside a buffer. Okay, and in that you will do some changes. You can do some changes. You can write contents in that file, or you can read contents from that file. You can modify the file. Whatever you want to do, you can do, and that everything will be done here inside a buffer. Those all changes will be only here. Whenever you will close that file using fclose function, then only all these changes will get affected onto the disk, wherever that file is there onto the disk. Means those changes will be permanent after only calling this fclose function. Means this is always compulsory to close the file using fclose function after opening that file. Now see, one more point is there. Whenever you will call this fclose function, this buffer will get eliminated. Whatever file structure having that information about file, that will be erased, and only file onto that disk will be present. Getting? This is all about fclose function.